good money, yet your bank account is drained by Friday. You aren't reckless, you're caught in invisible financial traps designed for the middle class. If you want to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle and build lasting wealth, hit that subscribe button right now. It's a quiet Tuesday night. You're lying in bed, doing mental math that doesn't add up. You followed the rules, got the education, landed the solid job, earned the promotion. Yet you're stressing about whether your auto loan and utility bill can both clear this week without dipping into savings. This isn't about intelligence, it's a systemic trap. The middle class rarely struggles because of one catastrophic mistake. They struggle because of many normalized decisions happening at once. The upgraded car, the maximum mortgage, the convenience apps, the delayed retirement accounts. Each choice feels reasonable alone, but together they create an invisible treadmill. Today, we'll reveal 9 traps that keep households stuck. Trap 1. The "you earned it" upgrade. Lifestyle inflation. This trap arrives disguised as success. You get a $15,000 raise. You tell yourself you deserve a reward. So you move into a luxury apartment, trade in your reliable car for a new SUV, and start shopping premium. Savings remain stagnant because expenses rise to match income. Research shows that nearly 48% of Americans earning 6 figures still live paycheck to paycheck. Income expands, but lifestyle expands faster, unless you set boundaries. If you invested just $800 a month from that raise into a broad market index fund, historical averages suggest you might grow nearly $750,000 over 25 years. Actual returns vary, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Securing at least half of every raise before lifestyle catches up is a proven safeguard. Trap 2. The 84-month auto illusion. Driveways across America hold $60,000 SUVs and trucks. The auto industry shifted focus from vehicle price to monthly payment. According to Edmunds data from 2024, the average new car payment in the USA was about $740 a month. To make massive vehicle prices feel affordable, lenders have stretched loan terms to 72 or even 84 months. You're locked into a 7-year loan on a machine that loses value daily. Many buyers roll negative equity from old loans into new ones, paying interest on cars they no longer own. Dealers profit, banks profit, but wealth building stalls. A reliable used car plus investing the difference is a strategy many experts recommend for financial stability. Trap 3. The maximum approval mortgage. The median U.S. home price in 2024 was about $405,300. Banks approve mortgages based on debt-to-income ratios, not your ability to invest, travel, or live comfortably. Hidden costs, tax reassessments, rising insurance, HOA fees, and surprise repairs can add $1,200 a month. Buying at the top of your approval limit makes you house poor. You own a beautiful living room, but lack the disposable income to enjoy life beyond it. We're breaking down the habits that keep the middle class stuck. If this is opening your eyes to where your money goes, hit like and subscribe. It helps us spread financial education further. Trap 4. The convenience premium. This trap drains accounts in $15 increments. Delivery kits, apps, pre-chopped produce, expedited shipping. When you order a $20 meal on a delivery app, after the service fee, the delivery fee, the menu markup, and the tip, you are often paying $35 for basic sustenance. You justify it by saying you are buying back your time, but unless you're using that extra 30 minutes to actively generate more income, you are simply paying a 75% premium for convenience. Consistently paying for premium convenience when you have a median income is a fast track to financial stagnation. Trap 5. The dual income reliance. Consider a household earning $130,000 from 2 incomes. They build their lifestyle, mortgage, cars, daycare, subscriptions, assuming both incomes will always exist. Both incomes become permanently load-bearing. If one partner wishes to change careers, experiences a health issue, or needs to care for an aging parent, the financial structure begins to shake. The safest financial strategy for a dual-income household is to structure all mandatory fixed costs, housing, utilities, transportation, and basic groceries, so they can be covered by the larger of the two incomes alone. The second income is then utilized for investing, saving, and discretionary lifestyle choices. This creates a massive financial shock absorber. Trap 6. The credit card as a safety net. Many see a $10,000 credit limit as their emergency fund. That's dangerous. When the transmission fails or a medical event occurs, the $2,000 expense goes onto a credit card carrying an average 23.37% APR. If you only make the minimum payments on a $2,000 balance, you could spend years paying it off and hand hundreds of dollars in pure interest to a financial institution. Credit card companies have heavily researched human psychology. The minimum payment on your statement anchors your brain. You see a $45 minimum due, your brain registers the task as complete, and the bank collects a massive yield on your remaining balance. An emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of living expenses sitting in cash in a high-yield savings account. It acts as a financial circuit breaker, turning a bad day into just that, rather than the start of a multi-year debt spiral. Trap 7. The good debt illusion. Student loans are often labeled good debt. Education is valuable, but borrowing $100,000 for a degree yielding $45,000 starting pay is a mismatch. In 2024, the average student loan debt was about $37,797. Debt is only productive if it funds an appreciating asset or boosts earning power beyond its cost. Heavy loan payments restrict career flexibility and delay retirement savings. Trap 8. Delayed compounding. Investing $400 a month starting at 25 could grow to over $1.2 million by 65, assuming historical returns. Wait until 35 and the same investment grows to about $540,000. That 10-year delay costs nearly $700,000. The trap is waiting until life feels settled. Automate investments early so compounding works in the background. Past performance does not guarantee future results, but time in the market is a powerful ally. Trap 9. Speculative distractions. Behind on retirement goals, many chase shortcuts, viral stocks, risky digital assets. Data shows most retail traders underperform the market index long-term. True wealth is boring, consistent, automated contributions to diversified portfolios. It won't impress at dinner parties, but it builds millionaires. None of these traps requires recklessness. They require acting normal. Normal means carrying high-interest balances, financing depreciating assets, and hoping the future sorts itself out. Financial independence comes from recognizing these systems and opting out. Drive the practical car, automate savings, and buy the house you can comfortably afford. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these traps have you experienced most? What lifestyle change are you making this year to keep more of your income? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more financial education. Thanks for watching.